that's pretty much it.
All right, well, let's see you ride this bad boy.
Yeah, I know how to ride a bike. All right, I got this.
Yeah.
That's something.
You should probably have a helmet on.
Woo-hoo! What do you guys think? Pretty sweet, right?
Oh.
What was that?
What do you mean? Just riding my bike?
Well, why don't you use the pedals?
No, man, this gets the job done. This is fine.
That was ridiculous.
I don't want to overcomplicate things.
Oh yeah, for sure, man.
Can't you guys just be happy for me?
You didn't even use a kickstand.
What kickstand?
You all right, man?
I'm fine.
Yeah, he definitely doesn't know how to use that right.
I thought he said he knew how to ride one.